It's Hot Rod Ronnie coming to you live from my Freaking Eagle channel. We're getting ready to go into this benefit. We got the coupe, got the RX-7, and got Travis. Shake this place up a little bit. It's okay if we park here? You live here?
No, but if that's what you need to do.
All right, we're getting ready to go.
Oh,
We're going to the show.
check it out.
You have come up there, you can see it. We're going to be up there at that car show.
Oh, okay. I got my little hot rod under the
Come down.
Coming all the way down.
Way down there?
Yeah. Whoop, whoop. That sounds good.
I thought it'd be more cars here than that.
I took Chevelle last night. We went over to.
Don't look nothing like my 28.
We went to the old GRTC bus station on Curry Street.
Uh-huh.
Had a bunch of models right there. Me and another guy, he took a Cougar, I took a Chevelle up there. And they were taking and doing film models, you know, all over the front and inside.
You mean like half-naked people?
Yeah, we did stuff like back in the old days, like you know, like the old calendars and all you see.
Yeah.
That was cool. I never been nothing like that.
Was it 30s? 1930s? 31.
Guess I better turn this GoPro on.
Yeah.